Hi everyone, this is Jupiter Jim from jupiterjim.com, and this demonstration blog is using WordPress version 3.0.1 along with Thesis Theme version 1.8. However, what I'm going to teach you in this video should apply no matter what theme you're using and should work with any version of WordPress. What I am going to be teaching you is how to create a hyperlink from the text within a blog post or page to another outside website. So in this case, I want to create a link, a hyperlink to the, right here you can see the upper left hand corner, to the website jupiterjim.com. Okay, the first thing I need to do, if you look in the top, every browser has an address bar, and that's where you see the web address. So I'm going to click in here, and then it automatically highlights the whole web address. If it doesn't, you just click and drag, highlight everything. Then you're going to right click and copy. That's step number one. Well, you're going to left click on the word copy. Now, you don't see in a Google Chrome browser address, it doesn't show the http:// but it's still there, and I still just copied it when I did that right click. Okay, now after I've copied the URL or the web address, okay, then we're going to go back to the blog, and these three words right here, there's a blog post, test post number 10, horses. Now, I'm going to highlight these three words. These three words, I want to make a hyperlink that it's going to link to jupiterjim.com. Now, these words are in Latin, and the reason I use Latin, the language of the ancient Romans, is because this is all just filler text. No, you're not supposed to be reading it. So I'm going to click on the dashboard in the blog where I've already logged in. I'm going to click 11 posts, the list of posts. I'm going to go to test post number 10, horses. I'm going to highlight those three words, and when I do that, these two squares become alive. So if I mouse over it, it says insert edit link. You can see that. I'm going to click there, and you get this little pop-up box, dialog box. The first thing you want to do is hit backspace or delete to get rid of the http:// highlighted in blue. So I'm just going to hit backspace, then I'm going to click in there where that flashing cursor is, and then I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste, and you can see the web address that we just copied did in fact include http:// and if we had not just deleted the http:// in blue, it would have repeated it, and you would have had two in front of the web address and it wouldn't have worked. Under target, for right now, I'm just going to have open link in the same window. Now, in this case, it's going to open it up in the same window or tab. Skip title, skip class. 99% of you will probably never ever use that, so just skip that, click insert. We've just updated the blog post, so now we have to click update here on the right. I'm going to now go click on the tab in the browser, brings us back to the blog post, test post number 10, horses. There is no link here, so what I have to do is hit the refresh or reload button in the browser, and then the link becomes active or live. You mouse over, you can see what happens. I'm going to click on it once. Now you can see there are at the top of the page 3 tabs open, and this will open in tab number 2, and it does. It brings us to jupiterjim.com. I'm going to click the back button to get back to the browser. I'm going to click this tab here to get back to the blog. Now these two squares once again are not highlighted. All you need to do, just click once on this hyperlink, and then I'm going to mouse over this again, and this time I'm going to the link. I'm going to just click on it one time to edit the link. The web address is highlighted. I'm going to click in a white space to deselect the web address. I'm going to click the down arrow. This time I'm going to open it in a new window. And I know from previous experience it won't open it in a new window. It will open it in a new tab, but that's just the way it is. Click update. We now need to update the post because we just made a change to it. Now I'm going to click the tab and the browser brings us back here, but we haven't refreshed or uploaded the page. I need to do that in order for the link to change. Then there are 3 tabs you can see at the top, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to click this link and another tab will open. That'll bring us to the web, jupiterjim.com. So I'm going to click, ready, boom, and we now have 4 tabs that open it up in a new tab instead of a new window, and I'm going to close that tab. What I'm going to do now is just get rid of this link altogether. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. I'm going to click one time anywhere on that link. There's a picture of a broken link here. I'm going to mouse up, click on it. As I mouse over it, you can see you get the tooltip that says unlink underneath it. I'm going to click on it once. It gets rid of the link. Click update to update the blog post. Click on the tab, brings us back to the post. Click refresh. You can see the link disappears for those 3 words. Now what I've just showed you once again is how to create a hyperlink, how to edit a hyperlink, and how to get rid of a hyperlink in a blog post. If you wanted to do that in a blog page, it would be the same exact procedure, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.